My name is Mike Spradlin. I'm a territory manager for Purple Wave for Southeastern Oklahoma, and I'm sitting here today with John Haynes, general manager for Okie Rents, a customer that we've been working with for 8 or 9 years now.
Yeah,
honestly,
probably since 2017.
Open inspections for this auction that's happening on June 27th are Wednesday, June 26th between 9 and 4, and then Saturday, June 22nd between 9 and 1. If you need to do an inspection at other times, you can call and ask questions about the equipment. You can call and set up a time to come down and take a look at the equipment. So just go to purplewave.com and get that phone number and give them a call.
Purple Wave always brings some treats, some food, some donuts. So y'all come by, look at the equipment. We'll tell you everything we know about it, give you a chance to operate it. You've got a lot of time to look and study this equipment online between now and then. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to give us a call. So thank you guys. Thank you Purple Wave for coming down and doing this. We appreciate you.
Log into purplewave.com. All of the contact information is listed there on each asset. You can call that number anytime and they'd be happy to help you out. Thanks again, guys.